Ever snapped a photo with your Canon Eos R100, aiming for that dreamy blurred background, only to find the whole thing looks, well, a bit of a blurry mess? Don't worry, we're diving into common causes of unwanted blur and easy fixes. First up, aperture. A wide aperture like f/18 or f/28 creates that shallow depth of field, blurring the background. But if it's too wide, even your subject can soften. Try stopping down to f/4 or f/56 for a sharper subject. Next, autofocus. Ensure you're using the correct focus mode. One shot is great for stationary subjects, while servo is better for moving one. Select the appropriate focus mode in the camera's menu to match your subject's motion. Also, pinpoint your focus point. Don't let the camera guess. Select a single focus point directly on your subject's eye or the most important detail. Camera shake is another culprit. Use a faster shutter speed, especially in low light. A general rule of thumb is to use a shutter speed faster than your lens's focal length. For example, with a 50mm lens, shoot at 1/60th of a second or faster. Enable image stabilization if your lens or camera has it. This will help combat camera shake, especially at slower shutter speeds. Finally, practice your hand-holding technique. Keep your elbows tucked in, breathe steadily, and gently press the shutter button. A tripod is always your friend for ultimate stability. Nail these steps and you'll be creating stunning, sharp images with beautifully blurred backgrounds in no time. Subscribe for more photography tips and tricks.